The 2015-2023 Dodge Challenger key fob requires a specific battery, the CR2032, a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This precise type ensures proper function. Avoid CR2025 batteries, which are thinner and won't fit properly in the key fob, potentially causing damage or poor performance. For best results, use high-quality brands like Energizer or Duracell, which provide reliable performance and extended battery life. Do not use rechargeable batteries, as they may not fit properly or provide consistent performance in the key fob. For replacing your Dodge Challenger key fob battery, you'll need a few basic tools. First, a small flathead screwdriver, preferably with a plastic tip to avoid scratching the key fob casing. You'll also need a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery for replacement. Optionally, electrical tape can help secure the fob and protect against moisture. And dielectric grease can be applied to prevent corrosion from moisture ingress. Locate the small notch or seam on the key fob. Gently insert the plastic flathead screwdriver into the notch and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Some models may have a small screw holding the halves together, so inspect carefully before prying. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Take note of the battery's polarity. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, ensuring it sits securely in place. Incorrect polarity will prevent the fob from working. Align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely. If there was a screw, reinsert and tighten it. Ensure there are no gaps or loose parts. A thin layer of dielectric grease on the battery contacts can prevent corrosion, especially in humid climates. Key fobs can fail due to moisture ingress, extreme temperatures, or using cheap batteries. To prevent issues, avoid exposing the fob to water and use high-quality CR2032 batteries. As a backup for remote functions, consider using the Dodge Uconnect app on your smartphone, which provides digital keyless entry and other features. Looking ahead, battery technology is improving with longer-lasting options, but DIY battery replacement will continue to be a cost-effective solution for Dodge Challenger owners. If your key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, it may need to be repaired to the car's computer using an OBD2 device, though this is rare. Always consult your owner's manual for confirmation and specific instructions. Remember, proper maintenance and following manufacturer guidelines will help extend the life of your key fob.